1997 Nissan Maxima headlight and side marker light removal. Recommended tools will be a 10mm. We used a 6-inch extension, a flathead screwdriver, and also a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing this Phillips head screw that holds the side marker in place. We used the flathead screwdriver to reach down behind the light and pry it off of the socket that holds it in place. This may be difficult, so take your time. Here's a closer look at that socket and what we were prying against. Also make sure that you slide it forward because it's hooked in the back here. Disconnect its electrical connection. With the side marker light removed, you now have access to these two 10mm fasteners that hold the side of the headlight in. On the driver's side, we ended up removing this relay box to get better access to the fasteners behind the headlight. It's held on with these two 10mm bolts. Behind the headlight you'll see two fasteners, one here at the top and one here at the bottom. You need to remove both of those fasteners. With those fasteners removed, you can pull the headlight out to disconnect its electrical connection, and you have yourself a headlight.